Let's make this quick and easy egg recipe with potato and smoked sausage. First, we heat our oil to saute our smoked sausage. Let's add potatoes. While waiting for the potato to cook, we beat the eggs and put it aside. Add pinches of salt and pepper. Minced garlic. Now let's add the beaten eggs that we put aside. Keep on stirring until egg is fully cooked. Alright, let's serve it up. This is it. Like I said, it's quick and easy. I hope you like this video, enjoy, and see you on the next one.